Let's try to understand what is a epoch in AI. Let's assume that you have very complex contract with you and you ask your team to understand that contract thoroughly. It may happen that your team may go through the report once to just understand what exactly this content or contract is all about. On the second time, they review again and they try to identify the minute detail and the point which are being mentioned. It may happen that they might need to go through n time to understand each and every point being mentioned into the contract. So this process is known as a epoch in AI. Epoch in AI is nothing but when AI model go through the entire data set once, that known as a one epoch. Let's try to map with that example with the AI. The report which we were asked, that is nothing but the training data for the AI model. The team, that is nothing but the AI model itself. And the one review, that is nothing but known as a one epoch for the AI. So every time when AI model try to understand the report or a data, is known as a one epoch. On the very first epoch, it may happen that AI model is able to understand bit about the data. It may happen on the second time, it may understand a bit better. And gradually, it may require the n number of iteration or a epoch for AI to understand the data properly. This process is known as a epoch in AI. So whenever if someone says that model required, assuming that 10 epoch or it could be any number of epoch, that means that model was required to go through the set of data that many times. So that many iterations were being gone through for AI model to understand the data. 10 is just number for the reference, but in real life it may happen we require n number of epoch. Also, please note that higher number of epoch doesn't guarantee a better result. It's always going to be a art and science where you need to understand how many epoch is needed for AI to understand data correctly. Sometimes it may happen that the more number of epoch may give you a false output or overfitting of the data. I hope you are able to understand what is the epoch in AI system. Every day I try to simplify such kind of complex AI term in a such a way that non-technical and business executive person can understand. Thank you for watching this.